Experience the thrill of AMG performance in a compact SUV that redefines luxury and versatility. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLB 35 delivers exhilarating power and cutting-edge technology wrapped in a stylish, practical package. Are you ready to elevate your driving experience to the next level? The 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLB 35 is a striking blend of versatility, luxury, and performance, setting a new standard in the compact SUV segment. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers an exhilarating 302 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse, coupled with the 8-speed AMG SpeedShift DCT automatic transmission, propels the GLB 35 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. Priced between $52,000 to $60,000, this SUV offers an accessible entry point into the world of AMG performance without compromising on the luxury and technology Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. Step inside the 2024 GLB 35, and you're greeted by a cabin that seamlessly combines elegance with functionality. High-quality materials, AMG-specific features, and the advanced MBUX infotainment system ensure a driving experience that's as intuitive as it is luxurious. The optional third-row seating adds a layer of practicality, making this compact SUV suitable for families or those needing extra space. With 20.1 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expandable to 62 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, the GLB 35 offers ample room for your adventures, whether they involve city streets or mountain roads. In the competitive landscape of luxury compact SUVs, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLB 35 holds its ground against formidable rivals like the Audi SQ5, BMW X3 M40i, Volvo XC60 Polestar, Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio, and Porsche Macan S.